Hello, it's Daryl. This is Daryl's homework. We've got a new project today. Actually, I started this yesterday. It's a washing machine. It works. We started it up the other day, so the electrics work, and then we ran it, and then water initially poured out the front or the top. The problem was this hose chewed by a rat, and I saw another piece of it. And this hose also chewed by a rat. You can see where it's been chewed on that. Chews it there and there. So, cut a long story short, I was able to get some garden hose. I had another washing machine here. I was trying to use that hose, but it was a different size, so I was able to track down some garden hose that I had lying around the house, and that fortunately fitted exactly the same size, so I was able to use that. So we tried it out again, started it up, more water was pouring out, so and we're able to track the problem down to here, where the rat started chewing on that part of the hose. So my plan is I've got some more garden hose here. Well, not garden hose, but washing machine hose. So this is nice and flexy. So I'm going to cut that and place it over that, and hopefully that'll seal that off. So to start off with, I'm just going to, if I can, just using this material. This is like for timber decking. It's just a rubber sort of thing. Now the idea is to get that in there. It kind of just acts as a, as you can see, it's just to stop the sealant itself from going into the hole. Okay, so the next part, I'm going to cut this off. Right, so that's kind of what we're going to be doing. This just sits on there like that. And we just load that up with other stuff. Okay, let's see how we go. I'm going to move that to the side, put a lot inside here, got it laid up in here as well. Alright, so anyway, that's it. We'll let that dry for the day. Try it tomorrow. It's Daryl. I'm back at the washing machine. We've let this dry overnight, so I think that should be ready to go. I'm just going to put that back on and then fire this thing up for half an hour. Okay, I've hooked everything up. Power's in and on. Just run a little channel out there to the garden for the water. Not washing any clothes. It's already on. 30 minutes. There we go. Alright. Already shooting in there. All that's coming in there. And nothing pouring out here. Ah, that looks cool. Alright, we'll leave that for half an hour. See what we get when we come back. Okay. A successful 30-minute cycle done. No leaks. Machine completed its cycle, so it looks like all the electrics are good. Alright then. Well, that was a success, a great success for that one. We're about to toss that one out too because of all the water leaking everywhere. So, okay, we can tick that one off. Daryl's homework. I'll sign off for now on this project, and we'll be on to the next one. Continuation of the ride-on mower. I just got to see if I can get that started and take it for a run around the block, and then hopefully we can sign that one off too. Alright, Daryl's homework. Talk to you later. Bye.